Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Hello.
And heartily congratulations to Dr. Pooney. And a very happy birthday to Sushma ji. And congratulations to everyone who is declaring about the life mastery. They are the master of their life. So here, life mastery is amazing. When it was introduced to me, I was little bit, I'm questioning myself. Or really, I need to learn life mastery. Life is for what? Life. I know about my life very much. So, do I need to really know about what is life mastery? But it is really amazing when I learn what is life mastery. And a life mastery is not only to learn what is the insight in that, it is the collective of the valuable lessons, tools, and the techniques which is we taught in this program. And I must say that from my core of my heart, Dr. Purni, she has the unique ability to get inside my soul and the system and understand immediately what I need. Yeah, and what I need, which is turn into the into my role, into my roles, into my the goals, and to into the reality. And this life mastery, I must share my beautiful experience when it was the first day itself when I was learning about the life mastery. First day, the self mastery. We have one,
I think emotional must. It
that
was
is
emotional.
emotional mastery. And there was one technique, it is called ABC technique. So that techniques, it was such an amazing technique where I'm facing a one challenge to collect some of the the amount from one of the organization, and I'm not able to I'm not able to contact with that person with this ABC practice. I was surprised. Without contacting that person, I receive a call that I'm trying to reach that person. And thank God, with this discussion, next day I receive a amount securely and blissfully. So it is amazing journey with this life mastery, and I'm blessed that I'm enrolled in this life mastery, and I got all the valuable knowledge, techniques, and I'm using it, and I'm keep on using and keep on learning. And every day, whenever I'm opening any of this chapter, I'm learning. I'm getting some of the more knowledge in that every day. The president sheets is there every day. I'm when I'm practicing it, so I'm getting a new insights of this, and I come to know, no, I'm wrong here. I have to stand here, and then from here I have to move. So really, thank you, Dr. Poni, Has Academy, and Mr. Shiva. He is behind us to the push where we really need to do that. However, we are so responsible person in our life, but during this life mastery, yes, we come to know that there is a responsibility lacking us. So thank you very much to introducing this, enrolling in this course, and so many things it is there where I'm not able to enroll in that. And thank you, Dr. Purni,